Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Delta Roblox mobile key. We'll start by understanding what a Delta key is and why it's essential for the mobile application. Then, I'll guide you through the initial steps to begin the key retrieval process, ensuring you know exactly where to go for the official generation site. This guide makes the process straightforward and easy to follow. Next, you'll navigate to the official Delta Key Generation website. It's crucial to complete all the required human verification steps accurately to proceed. These steps are in place to ensure security and prevent automated access. Once verification is successful, your unique Delta key will be generated. Make sure to copy this key carefully, as you will need it very soon. Now that you have your key, open the Delta Roblox mobile application on your device. You will see a designated input field where you need to paste the key you just copied. After pasting, simply confirm the key. This action will unlock full access to all of Delta's powerful features, allowing you to enjoy the application without any restrictions. It's a quick and simple final step to get started. For a smooth experience, always use the official Delta website for key generation to avoid scams. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout the entire process. A weak signal can cause issues. If you encounter any persistent problems or errors, do not hesitate to contact Delta's official support team. They are there to help you resolve any technical difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.